A single little tea was born on a wire, lifted by the wind and the heat of the fire. It